Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download videos from Google Drive to iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone and navigate to the folder containing the video you want to download. Once you find the video, tap on it to select it. Next, tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. From the list of options that appears, select Download. This will start saving the video directly to your Photos app. You might see a notification that says, Saving to Photos. Wait for a few seconds while the video finishes downloading. Once it's done, open the Photos app on your iPhone, and you'll find the video available and ready to play. Keep in mind that this method only works if Google Drive has permission to access your photos. If you're not seeing the video in your Photos app, go to Settings, Google Drive, then Photos, and make sure access is enabled. So that's basically how you can download videos from Google Drive to iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.